He thought this was a good idea? As most scientists would claim, safety should be #1 priority. Even if you are cautious and confident enough, mistakes tend to happen quite often, and there is nothing you can do to avoid it. All you can do is to educate yourself to stay calm and act intelligently in such situations. This is what happened when I was working with this guy who thought this would be a great idea. What really happened? How is the title of the video related to this? Was it dangerous or harmful in any way? Continue watching the video till the end to know more. Before we begin, let's just make it clear that this incident is not fictional and it involves the use of sodium cresoxide in an incident which is fairly long, but you will enjoy hearing it. Here goes nothing. The first thing that you should know is that when I got into chemistry, I just liked the subject because I used to collect chemical warfare gear like gas masks, CBRN suits, etc. But then one day I seemed to have caught hold of a Polish Community Army IPP-51M chemical decontamination kit. At that time, it used to contain 4 ampules. Around 30% sodium cresoxide, dipped in ethanol, was used to get rid of the nerve gas from the chemical suit and guns by soaking a cotton ball and wiping the turd off. 2 isopentyl nitrite ampules, which is actually used as an antidote for cyanide, and phosgene, once you break off the end and sniff off the vapor. Then we have a zinc chloride solution with another ampule inside it, containing chloramine B, which is used to neutralize mustard gas, and lewisite, the so-called blister gases. The ampule 3 came in already broken, but luckily only the outer zinc chloride. I made sure to wash it, clean it, and then done. Then again, a few months later, when I checked it, the plastic sodium cresoxide ampule was leaking through the piece where the 2 plastic parts were heated shut. Therefore, just for my safety, I decided to pour it down the drain. I then decided to put on these big chemical warfare-related gloves and my only prescription glasses. Before I move on, all the things I did and will be doing are just purely dumb and insane. I then decided to squeeze it out of that crack it was leaking from, but then again I squeezed it too hard and the ampule seemed to have popped and splashed sodium cresoxide all over me in my kitchen. Just another note, this was around 50 milliliters of a 30% sodium cresoxide solution in ethanol. I got it on my shirts, legs, and some of it even got behind my glasses. I was lucky that it did not spill and hit my eyes. It only hit right near my eye. I then quickly ran to the bathroom, washed myself thoroughly. I changed clothes, grabbed my MSA gas mask, and began the decon. I have to say this, sodium cresoxide is a total definition of a chemical smell. It looks and smells exactly like total cancer and death combined. Nevertheless, it is not unpleasant. It just hits you with the vibe of, I am quite toxic. The smell was so strong that it literally covered the solvent smell, and I was not able to smell any ethanol at all. And then in terms of looks, it is an extremely dark liquid. Once you see it, you smell it, you know you have to get rid of it as soon as possible. I made sure to wash down the entire kitchen with water, even though it is a base. Treating it with an acid like vinegar would be a terrible idea, as cresol, which would form, is even more toxic. The smell seemed to have lasted like 5 months, and I do not know whether I am going to get lung cancer or what, but I do know I have a small burn in the place near my eye where I got hit with the cresoxide. This incident made me learn that we should always wear goggles and should not squeeze old, leaking, toxic, and corrosive chemical ampules. And that's it for today. Did you enjoy watching this video? Did you find the video interesting? Did we miss out on anything? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We would love to get to know your perspective on this matter. Let's discuss these in yet another video, so stay tuned. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope you've enjoyed watching it. If you've liked the video, then do make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button too. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of such awesome videos. Until then, see ya.